Get ready for a roller coaster ride in the world of oil production. OPEC Plus is making a bold move to regain its market dominance. But is it a wise decision? In a surprising turn of events, OPEC Plus has decided to increase oil output from October, aiming to reclaim its market share. However, this move comes with a twist. The pace of increase is slower compared to previous months, indicating a cautious approach amidst a potential global demand slowdown. But here's where it gets controversial. OPEC Plus, led by Saudi Arabia, has been on a production hike since April. But the latest decision to boost output further has taken many by surprise. With an anticipated oil glut looming in the winter months, this strategy could be a risky one. 8 key members of OPEC Plus agreed to raise production by 137,000 barrels per day in October, a significant drop from the monthly increases seen in recent months. This move also marks the beginning of unwinding a substantial 1.65 million BPD cut, which was originally scheduled to take effect over a much longer period. The increase may seem small, but the message is loud and clear, says Jorge Leon, a former OPEC official and analyst at Rystad. OPEC Plus is prioritizing market share, even if it means potentially softer prices. And this is the part most people miss. OPEC Plus found it relatively easy to increase production when demand was high during the summer. But the real challenge lies ahead in the fourth quarter, as demand is expected to slow down. This could be a make-or-break moment for the group. OPEC Plus has left room for flexibility, stating that they can accelerate, pause, or even reverse the hikes at future meetings. The next crucial meeting is scheduled for October 5th, where the group will reassess their strategy. The Saudi-UAE dynamic. Saudi Arabia's push to punish overproducing members like Kazakhstan and the UAE's new capacity additions have added an interesting dynamic to OPEC Plus's decision-making process. Trump's influence. Earlier this year, U.S. President Donald Trump put pressure on OPEC Plus to boost output, aiming to fulfill his election promise of lowering domestic gasoline prices. This external influence adds another layer of complexity to the group's decisions. The consequences of these output increases have been felt across the industry. Oil prices have dropped by around 15% this year, impacting oil companies' profits and leading to significant job cuts. However, prices have remained relatively stable at around $65 a barrel, supported by Western sanctions on Russia and Iran. A controversial interpretation, OPEC Plus's hikes have fallen short of their pledged amounts, as most members are already pumping near capacity. This has left Saudi Arabia and the UAE as the primary contributors to the market, a situation that could spark differing opinions on the fairness of the current arrangement. So, what's your take on OPEC Plus's strategy? Is it a bold move towards market dominance or a risky gamble? Share your thoughts in the comments below.